To Lovage, and we are talking specifically here about Levisticum officinale, not Chinese lovage root. That's Ligusticum, totally different group of plants, specifically Ligusticum chuanjiang, but that's not what we're speaking. We're talking Levisticum officinale, just lovage. And this is a plant that has very long history of being useful for digestion and respiratory support, but it also has this quirky property of knowing that it's of being good for irrigation therapy. So I thought we'd dive in and take a little bit closer look at what the heck are we talking about there, because it has some important healing potentials that you may want to be aware of. So from a Western point of view, of course, digestive, respiratory system identification, but this what's known as aquaretic. So you can see the water, aquaretic in there. In traditional Chinese medicine, from the Eastern perspective, we're going to be looking at an association with the spleen, the liver, the kidneys, promoting urination. But here's what's interesting about lovage. Lovage, in being an aquaretic, it has a very specific meaning. Diuretics help you pee, but they're going to sweep through and take some of the electrolytes with the elimination of the fluids from the body. Aquaretics don't do that. They're going to increase urination, so helping you to relieve toxins in the same way, helping you relieve excess fluids, so edemas, this sort of thing, but you're not going to lose those important electrolytes. And electrolytes are critical for, conveying the electrical charges that are essential for body functioning. It's going to help regulate pH balance. It's going to support nerve and muscle functions, stabilize blood pressure, healthy bones and teeth, right? This is all this, potassium-sodium balance that happens. This is why when you do a lot of sports and a lot of sweating, or you have a lot of diarrhea, where you lose a lot of fluids, you want to build up your electrolytes again. Well, an aquaretic isn't going to take those electrolytes out of your system. So this is a very cool function, and it's called, therefore, irrigation therapy. And you'll see irrigation therapy referenced in dental, like root canals, colostomies, bowel irrigation, nasal cavities can be watered, flushed, stomachs can be wounds. So it has a lot of capability, this, again, of edema, getting rid of excess fluids from the body without depleting your electrolytes. This is important medicine because for many people, while a diuretic might be perfectly fine, for many, just that loss of extra electrolytes might be too much or not good for them. So this is a good plant to know about if you're already trying to balance your potassium, sodium levels and keep your electrolytes strong, but still need to be irrigated in one form or another. Now you can think about lovage. Not Chinese lovage root, not Ligusticum. We're talking lovage, Levisticum officinale. Please visit our website at White Rabbit Institute of Healing to find out more about this herb.